Daming
Drew
kwento.
din.
Ayan.
Ikinasal na nga ang ating dating UH barkada na si Drew Arellano at bukod sa mga malalapit na kaanak, ilang showbiz personalities din na naging witness sa kanilang kasalan.
Lahat sila wishing na magiging masaya ang newlywed na halos isang dekada rin naging magkasintahan.
Galing. Eto at panungarin po natin.
Very solemn and private ang naging kasal ni Drew Arellano at Iya Villana na ginanap sa Nasugbu, Batangas itong Biyernes ng hapon. Dinaluhan lamang ito ng kanilang pamilya at malalapit na kaibigan sa loob at labas ng showbiz. Nangunguna na riyan ang itinuturing na best friend ni Iya na siya ring naging maid of honor niya, ang VJ at TV host actress na si Nikki Hill. Cute na cute naman in their pink dress ang mag-inang Cheska Garcia Kramer at Kendra Kramer. Si Kendra ang nagsilbing flower girl sa kasalang Drew Iya at isa naman sa mga bridesmaids si Cheska. Abay din si Shaina Magdayaw. Naroon din ang couple's friend na si Iza Calzado. Present din sa okasyon ng isa sa mga triathlon body ni Drew na si Mateo Guidicelli. Umattend din si Bea Alonzo. Principal sponsors naman si Kim Atienza, ang manager ni Iya na si Arnold Vigafria at Mr. Pure Energy Gary Valenciano. Dumalo rin ang panganay na anak ni Gary V na si Paulo Valenciano at asawa nitong si Samantha Godinez. Na-enjoy naman daw ni Sam YG ang pag-host ng isa sa mga itinuturing niyang funnest wedding na kanyang dinaluhan. Ang kapuso singer at Philippine King of R&B na si JR, hinarana naman ang bagong kasal during the reception. Best wishes to the newlyweds.
Husband and wife.
Huwag na natin patagalin to. Kamustahin natin ang bagong kasal. Drew, anak, kamusta ka na?
Papi!
Kamusta ang tuhod?
Papi Drew!
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, my UH family. How are you guys?
Ikaw ang kumusta? Ikaw ang kumusta?
Medyo kailangan ko yata kumain ng maraming balut.
Vitamins! Vitamins!
Vitamins, correct, vitamins.
Oo, di mo na makakatapos.
Kumusta Drew? Kumusta yung first 2 nights so far as a married couple?
You know, that it's true what they say na, days or months leading up to the wedding, medyo parang ang tagal-tagal, di ba? Because all the planning and everything, all the nitty-gritties. Pero after natapos yung wedding, parang biglang tapos na. It's parang it's such a blur na parang ang daya kasi parang we just really wanted to extend that special I guess parang it's the best day of our lives. And the alcohol was still overflowing.
Di mag-renewal of vows ka uli.
Yes!
Party ulit.
Okay. So, di mo napigilang umiyak, Drew?
Actually, alam mo yung mga writers that's all lies. I'm just kidding.
Hindi totoo. Walang aamin.
No, really. Actually, papasok pa lang ako dun sa gate ng mismong subdivision, yung private subdivision na yun. Kasi makikita mo kasi overlooking kagad yung dagat. Tapos buti na lang nakashades ako dahil nasa kotse ako ng kaibigan ko.
Pero Paps, sandali ha, ang gwapo mo ha. Pre, ang gwapo mo pre ha.
Si Ivan.
Minsan lang ang kasal.
Of course, it was because of my bride. But anyway, no really, of course, who wouldn't get emotional naman with the view, with the perfect setting, the sun setting behind us. It was just perfect.
Ano to, pababa siya?
Pababa siya, oo. Medyo konti pababa. Tapos sa may...
Nasa cliff.
Ang ganda-ganda.
Buti nilang nauna yung storm surge bago yung kasal mo, no? Dahil...
Correct. Pero medyo nagkaroon din ng storm surge sa wedding dahil ang daming ang umiyak din. But,
But I was telling them, Drew, parang equal parts funny and equal parts touching yung inyong mga vows to each other. And then parang sinasabi nga, when you were waiting for Iya to walk down the aisle, syempre medyo, I'm sure maraming pumapasok sa isip mo. Was there anything na nabilin sa'yo, nasabi sa'yo ng papa mo about marriage at naisip mo ng time na yun?
Yaga.
Well, actually wala naman. But of course, we would have wanted him to witness that special day, no? That's why each and every time parang me or Iya or even my siblings mention my dad,
Yeah.
parang
Nice boats ba? Nice boats? Yun yung sinasabi nila pag naiyak siya. Nice boats!
there you go. But I think it's a truly one for the books, and we just can't believe how perfect the wedding was.
Sobrang perfect.
Like what you said nga like what you said, parang it's like a roller coaster of emotions dahil parang you're crying and then the next second you're laughing and then parang nagiging sira-ulo na yung mga tao din doon.
Nakwento nga ni Suzy
Ang ganda-ganda ng speech ng mga kapatid mo. Nakakatawa sila. But anyway, saan ang pulot-gata ninyo? Uy!
Saan ang pulot-gata ninyo?
Hindi alam nito yung pulot-gata.
Sorry, okay. Honeymoon.
Honeymoon?
Yeah. Well, actually, wala pa dahil...
Sa Kamuning.
You know, it's funny because Iya now just left for work.
Back to normal.
Ikaw, ayaw mo bumalik?
Ay, hindi nakalib.
Lika na, punta ka naman dito.
Sabi ko sa kanya, okay, you ride to work, I ride for training.
Yeah!
I'm just kidding, no, but yeah, she has to do a very important photo shoot.
Drew, saan ang plano niyo ba? Magka-baby ka agad? At si Drew mahilig sa bata.
Oo nga.
He's going to be a good father.
Di ba sila
Let's go with the Olympian.
No, siguro hindi muna. Dahil parang we want to enjoy each other's company. And you know naman na parang, we've been together for nearly 10 years and I think parang ngayon lang kami nag-overnight, alam mo na.
Kwentuhan yan, tsaka bara-barahan.
Jack and Poy. Ito, Drew, meron kaming debate mamaya rito kung ano, sa pag-ibig, puso o utak no? So, 10 years yung relationship. Sa mga nanonood ngayon, yung iba hindi naniniwala sa ganyang tagal. Yung iba, di ba? Months lang o years. Pero ano talaga benepisyo pag ganyang katagal yung inyong relasyon? Tapos nagpakasal ko.
Sa amin kasi ni Iya, kaya naging nag-work yung relationship. Actually, for the first 5 years naman talaga, it wasn't, all that. Hindi naman kami sobrang in love talaga. I mean, we had to go through different really,
phases and stages.
bad times then, and then parang bumpy roads. Pero I think when we realized that it was more of the companionship more than anything, parang we're like, we enjoy each other's company. Parang we treat each other kasi as more than best friends than lovers. Alam mo yun, it's kind of weird, but I think it works for the both of us na parang I think that's the key to a very successful relationship. And dun kayo talaga tatagal because parang you treat each other as best friends, and when you have problems or may nakatampo, parang you voice it out kagad, you're very vocal, and you just communicate.
Take it from Drew.
Kuya Lar, baka may gusto ko sabihin. Ikaw na lang hindi pa
Naiyak si Kuya Lar.
Congratulations. Sayang nga lang hindi nakarating lahat, pero our prayers talagang are with you.
For your marriage.
Thank you, everyone. Of course, thank you to the people who was able to go, and sayang, of course, sa people na hindi nakarapunta, pero it was just like what we said lang naman we really wanted an intimate wedding. People were there because they wanted to be there. But thank you for being part of my special day.
Igan, may mga nagtatanong, ipapalabas daw ba ang wedding nyo?
Ngayon kabuuan ba ipapalabas sa anong estasyon? Anywhere?
YouTube.
No, not really.
Private.
You guys told me we're not really. Not really the type. But
You respect
yeah,
that.
that's it.
But thank you so much for sharing these pictures, diba, through social media, para at least yung mga tao naman na fans ninyo, makita naman na ang ganda-ganda naging ending nung inyong boyfriend-girlfriendhood into a new level of relationship.
Congratulations, Drew. Abangan mo na lang yung papadala kong supplement. Best wishes.
Maraming may inspire.
Thank you so much. But the venue kasi is asking for the Abrera's contact numbers because nasira yata yung puno.
What? Puno?
I'm just kidding.
Nanira ka, Sus. Sumabay ka. Sumabay.
Thank you.
Sumabit ka ba?
Thank you, Drew.
There you go.
Ingat.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
See you, bro.